cellulite is a skin condition. As you can see, there's a wavy, sometimes it causes dimpling over certain area of your body.
Female and male both actually can experience these conditions. However, we see more in female.
A lot of women, they have it, then they just live with it. Actually, we can help you to improve these conditions. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ian from Anaho Clinics. Today with me I have Dr. Joyce. We will be talking about cellulite. Actually, cellulite is a skin condition. As you can see, there's a wavy, sometimes it causes dimpling.
For audience to understand better, there are other names for this cellulite. Like for example, orange peel is a dimpling and a bumpy, lumpy. Another common name that people refer will be cottage cheese skin conditions.
There is two layers of fat, the superficial fat and the deep layers of fat. Because of the fat lobules itself causing protrusions of the fat out there, and you can see the dimplings over the skin's areas. More prominence it happens over the thigh region, over the buttocks and over the hips region.
To be said is very common. Female and male both actually can experience these conditions. However, we see more in female. 80 to 90% of ladies, they actually notice there are some degrees of cellulite. Even teen or they're healthy, they do notice this condition.
There's factors that contribute to it. It's the hormone. The hormones that contribute to it is estrogen. This is why it's more prone to happen in women. It's very important to let the audience know the anatomical structures of the skin and fat locations makes the difference. Visualize the skin's top here is the roof of your house. We have a lot of pillars to hold the structure. For male, we have a lot of crisscross kind of pillar. But for female, the pillar is all vertical one. Septals that pulling it a bit stronger over the deeper sides, but the pulling in terms of males is more evenly spread out because of the crisscrossing of the septals. And so it's very hard for males to develop cellulite compared to female.
People who like to smoke, take alcohol, constantly taking high carbs, sugary, all these things, it won't directly cause a cellulite, but it will increase the chances and make the cellulite more prominent.
If you're increasing in weight, that also put you into another risk that you are more prone to get cellulite. Besides that, if you are having medical conditions like PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, or you are now pregnant, this type of patients, the hormonal a bit on the high side, this put them into a stage that it's more easy to develop cellulite.
Through all these researches, for example, the topical cream on gel, through massages, it can only settle the appearance part, it cannot change anything underneath the skin.
To give you a more dramatic kind of result, what I do in my clinics is laser, light therapy, and with that you can improve the appearance of your skin. Improve circulation, improve new collagen's production, reduce the fat. With all this add up, then you can see a better result.